Option that we are going to explore is multi-frequency. So in the default, the multi-frequency is 2. So basically multi-frequency does is it stretch or compress the print. For example, if you want to stretch the print, just increase the multi-frequency. Right now it is at 2. Okay, let's put it at 3 and start the print. And if we check the print quality, let's check. Okay, so you can see that QR code and the barcode is stretched. Now let's move back to multi-frequency 2 and see how does the print quality differ when we are setting the multi-frequency at its default number, that is 2. Okay, so this is the original print. Okay, you can see the QR code is completely square. That is a normal print. So this is multi-frequency 2 and this is the multi-frequency 1. So this is multi-frequency 2 and this is 3. Okay, now sometimes if you have to increase the width of the characters, you can use the multi-frequency.